The robot is covered in soft textiles and multi-density foam rather than exposed machined parts, with strategically placed padding to protect against pinch points. At 9% less mass and with significantly less volume than Figure 02, it's lighter and easier to maneuver through household spaces. The battery system incorporates multiple layers of protection and has already achieved UN 38.3 safety certification, perhaps most impressively for home use. Figure 03 is designed for wireless inductive charging coils in the robot's feet allow it to simply step onto a wireless stand and charge at 2 kilometers. Imagine a robot that can autonomously dock and recharge throughout the day, much like a Roomba, but for significantly more complex tasks. The soft goods are fully washable and can be replaced without tools. And Figure even suggests the robot can be customized with various clothing options, including durable or cut-resistant materials for different tasks. While countless companies have built impressive robot prototypes, almost none have solved the manufacturing puzzle. Figure claims, Figure 03 is the first humanoid designed from the ground up for high-volume manufacturing. The company has moved away from the CNC machining typically used for prototypes and instead embraced high-volume tooled processes like die casting, injection molding, and stamping. This shift requires significant upfront investment in tooling, but the payoff is dramatic. Parts that once took over a week to manufacture via CNC can now be produced in under 20 seconds. To make this happen, Figure established an entirely new supply chain for an industry that barely exists and built BotQ, their own dedicated manufacturing facility. The first-generation manufacturing line at BotQ will be capable of producing up to 12,000 humanoid robots per year, with plans to produce 100,000 robots over the next 4 years. According to Time magazine, which featured Figure 03 as one of its best inventions of 2025, the robot was capable of doing some domestic tasks like folding clothes and loading a dishwasher at its October launch, though it still needed help from humans at times. During a visit to Figure's headquarters in August, Time journalists witnessed Figure 02 robots, running the same Helix software intended for Figure 03, gradually learning to fold towels, though they would often freeze when the towel caught on the basket's edge. In another demo, a Figure 02 successfully located keys hidden under a cup in a simple object permanence test, showing the beginnings of memory and reasoning. The company is transparent that the robot isn't ready for full home autonomy yet. CEO Brett Adcock stated, "We want the robot to be able to do most things in your home autonomously all day. We're not there yet. We think we can get there in 2026, but it's a big push." What's clear is that Figure is in a massive data collection drive, with human pilots wearing VR headsets to film themselves performing tasks that help train Helix. The company believes that with enough data, their neural network will follow a similar explosive growth curve to digital AI. Figure AI CEO Brett Adcock believes the biggest company in the world will be a humanoid robot company within a decade, with billions in the workforce, and eventually, every home will have a humanoid. The societal implications are staggering, from addressing labor shortages to potentially displacing certain jobs, from providing care for the elderly to raising profound ethical questions about privacy and our relationship with machines. The path forward won't be without bumps. The towel folding demonstrations show us that real-world manipulation in unpredictable environments remains immensely challenging. But with Figure 03, we're no longer talking about a distant future. We're looking at a machine designed to be manufactured in the thousands, intended to learn directly from humans, and built with the explicit goal of integrating into the most complex environment we know.